everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making French toast. It's delicious. So ingredients that we're using are organic pasteurized eggs, ground nutmeg. Oh, it looks so heavy. Oh, concentrated vanilla, maple syrup, maple sugar, gluten-free Udi's bread. It's fine. And organic strawberries. Items I'm going to be using are a blender, whisks attachments, half a teaspoon, spatula, 2 plates, a bowl, a cutting board, and a knife. Guys, I just noticed this. Look. It's like the ugly duckling. There's one egg that is different. Separate the egg. Then you just put the yolk on your cutting board. Grab your second egg. Now we gotta peel it a little more to get it out. Pour it in my hand. The egg is breaking. The yolk is breaking. Okay, let's just put it in. It doesn't matter to separate, guys. But guys, look how satisfying it is. Oh. Pop into the ball. And now poke it with your finger. Mix, mix, mix. Got your 2 eggs. Cinnamon. Not cinnamon. Why did I say cinnamon? We're not even using cinnamon. Vanilla extract. Fill it up with vanilla extract and put 2 of them. Grab our nutmeg. Put some in. That's enough. Now, grab our blender. I didn't look at it. Now, you want to get it and turn it on. Yes. Start mixing. Now, put it on our plate. Mix. Shake it. Now we want to put some milk in. Put in some nutmeg. Some vanilla extract. Don't forget to put our half a teaspoon in. 2 to be exact. We're done? Now, put it on our plate. Now, we need to turn on our griddle. Come over here. And now let's go back to our area. Cut off the top, throw it away. Put it like that. Start by doing that to every strawberry. Now, we're going to take them, cut them all in half. Boom, and we're done. Boom. For the long pieces, we want to go like that. Guys, you see? Look, now, we're going to go over to the stove. Start cutting it. Look, 1/2 an egg. Then dip it in milk. Then dip it in an egg again. And put it on. Move our strawberries. And put the strawberries on top. Smells so good. Bring it over. Oh shoot. It's called a scramble. A scramble marble. I created it. It's basically an egg where you mix the yellow and the white into one scramble. And our scramble is done. Yay! And look, put it like that. I can't believe we made stuffed French toast. Look, it's time to try. First, I was there scrambled eggs. Marble scrambles, to be exact. So good. 10 out of 10. Now, try our French toast stuff. So good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.